Tired of trying to manage unified communications and video deployments with a bunch of complex, disparate, siloed management products?
Man, is your IT staff so tied up with manual administration functions that collaboration and software upgrades and even new services never get considered?
How about a consistent management interface?
More than that, how about real-time visibility?
If your head's nodding, stay tuned.
Because we've got relief with Cisco's brand new Prime Collaboration solution.
Cisco Prime Collaboration is the convergence of the original Unified Communications Management Suite for voice,
which is really a suite of 4 products.
Yes, and Collaboration Manager for video.
Hey, you know what? A 5th powerful but solo software toolset.
Now rolled into one single product.
Ooh, mercy, Rob, that is what I'm talking about, brother.
Ease of use is not sacrificed at the altar of simplicity. It's all about collaboration management no matter its form. Now, as feature-packed as this is, it's really solving 2 big challenges: provisioning and assurance.
Now, the provisioning challenge involves how efficient we can be with getting our services delivered to our end users without any errors.
Well, and assurance is the other half of that coin that involves confidence, freedom from doubt.
Right. So excellence in both delivery and operations then.
Yeah. Tell you what, let's look at some provisioning specifics. Rolling out endpoints can be a monumental burden that historically just consumes resources incredibly fast. But now with customizable keyword-based templates and bulk import, you can create a site and add users en masse with their specific location, their role, as well as services such as phone line and voicemail during the process. Now, provisioning is so simple. In fact, it can parcel out the end user provisioning and keep your most talented engineers focused on the harder stuff that they excel at. Let's say, for example, you're facing a huge multi-city rollout with hundreds of users. Now, the ideal way to tackle a big project is to break into smaller pieces and delegate, of course. Well, first we start with the provisioning dashboard. We'll launch user management and add, for this example, create new user Chevy. We'll assign him to the 201 HQ domain, and we'll make him an ordering administrator for that group. Now we can see Chevy in our user administration screen as we return to set up a second admin named Chrysler and assign him to cover the Cisco US domain. Now, as our new regional administrator, Chevy logs in with his own account and he only sees what was allotted for his role. Now, adding subscribers is just as simple. All you need is a name, of course. Assign them a domain and then select the appropriate role. Role, of course, sets the policy for that individual, including which services and endpoints that individual has rights to. Now we just provision them a phone line and voicemail. Now with this done, just hand it off to the users. They can add their own personal touches from the most basic to the insanely complex in the user self-care portal. As you can imagine, this is a huge time saver. Many customers, in fact, report a 10-to-1 reduction as compared to their older systems.
With provisioning focused on efficient service delivery, assurance is about confidence in operations. That confidence stems from nonstop access to the services, tools, and applications our users need. Assurance with Prime Collaboration is all about user satisfaction, which minimizes those dreaded calls to the help desk, right? And it starts with an intuitive, real-time monitoring for service quality. Got it? Man, y'all are gonna love this. Automatic discovery of your entire network with a topology based upon the logical relationships of your collaboration endpoints. You can look at each device and launch tools for that device based upon its device type. This really is the dream, is it not? Proactive assurance means your users are no longer the early warning system you depend on. You can now leverage the inherent intelligence of your network for rapid problem resolution. For voice diagnostic viewing, you can group by device type and utilize multiple overlay graphs for key performance indicators and in-depth statistics, providing details for up to a week previous. In fact, video diagnostic tests can be run in real time, scheduled on endpoints before, during, and even after scheduled sessions. I guarantee IT staff will appreciate the embedded support for IPSLA and MediaNet for monitoring latency, jitter, and packet loss. It's your single dashboard for the entire collaboration network, Cisco and third-party devices. Prime Collaboration Assurance equals real-time confidence.
Freedom from doubt.
Hey dude, that is some serious value.
Value, yes, but even bottom line cost reduction.
Yeah, so let's see here, Rob. It can use existing infrastructure and Cisco gear.
It's now just one single platform.
Yeah, simplified provisioning frees up IT staff for much more important stuff.
Imagine how much you can save by solving problems before they become outages.
That's a good call. And you can also take advantage of Cisco's best practices, get control of more than just provisioning and insurance challenges, build strategic insight into your network.
Effective communication is the lifeblood for any organization these days. Cisco Prime Collaboration is a small investment with huge dividends. Check out the link for more.